Hey guys, it's Melvin back again with another video. Newman, don't leave me. Okay, anyways, I am here because some of you have asked me to do some videos of the upcoming 007 collection that's out globally this Friday on the 15th. And I'm here to kind of give you a closer look. You've seen us explaining that we brought Adidas back to school and all of that kind of stuff, but I wanted to kind of explain a few things, like in terms of the colorways, why we ended up here. But let's start with the footwear. So we've got SFTM 008. As you guys can see, it's tag 008. And just to clarify, the numbers on the actual tag on the shoes represents the 8th model that we worked on, something we worked on with Adidas is the Tokyo. 009 represents the Samba Fritzit, which is the LX. So yeah, 007 collection, but the tag actually represents the number of models that we have kind of worked on. In the past, we've always kind of like, okay, what is the main colorway of that particular franchise? But this time we really thought about it holistically in terms of traditional Adidas colors. So Lena thought about it together. So for example, this Bluebird, it's the blue that Adidas Originals are known for. As you can see, like with the shoe boxes and stuff, we kind of went back to the original Bluebird boxes. So we wanted to pay homage on that one. And the nylon on this one, it's a new development by Adidas, and it's the first time they've kind of done anything like this. So we thought it was quite cool to have this and this kind of colorway to give it that neo-vintage kind of feel, right? So it almost feels like a vintage shoe, but it's completely brand new. But rather than doing all three the same, Lena wanted to do this mesh, which is also a nod to this kind of vintage runner low profile feel with all the kind of dirtied sole as well. We added the detail of the herringbone tape that is not present in the original Tokyo. These are pretty cool with all the hand splattered finish. Then thank you so much for the crazy launch of the Samba LX. The ones that I've been wearing today. I can see everyone in my team is actually wearing these Sambas. Look at that, pow. It goes with everything, to be honest, and it's you know, you can wear it casually, you can wear it with a suit with trousers, and it all looks really good. What is interesting is that the brown and the black, they're actually two different materials, and this is perforated, this aren't, but it's pretty cool where we ended up. You can see that the duct tape detailing, it's like softer upper. We wanted the upper to feel almost like a vintage leather that is soft over time, but it's like it means business on the bottom, which is like pretty cool hard wearing sole. I'm gonna talk quickly about the apparel as well. It went crazy, so thank you so much. I'm just gonna pick out a few of my favorite pieces. For me, it's the gym bag. It's definitely one of my favorite ones. We challenge Adidas to kind of really get this to the point where it feels believable, you know, because all of this is actually printing technique. The idea of Lena and Karim kind of riding Adidas as like a handwriting, these are all print panels. So the amount of development for them to do this on a massive scale is something to be commendable. And how the dirty the canvas and everything like that. This is definitely one of my favorite pieces. As you can see, my cat as well. I've been wearing this for quite a number of days now. You can't tell online, but the fabric on this one, it's like waxed and it just feels so substantial, and I can see it aging over time beautifully. So get your hands on those ones. What else? We've got the polos. This is sold out within minutes. So this Friday, get your alarms ready. This is one of the first pieces that I would get. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want me to do more of these. Until then, peace out.